Hello guys and welcome to my channel. My name is Kiki and today I'm participating on the simple and sweet farmhouse lemon decor with second-hand Tracey. And she wanted us to make a decor piece or decorated space with the farmhouse and lemon theme. So we had to add some buffalo check, something farmhouse, and this lemons. And I found these beautiful lemons on eBay. And I paid like $15 for 30 of them, and so that's an awesome price. First, we're gonna need this wreath form, metal wreath form from Walmart. And we're gonna use this rope I found at Walmart too. It's awesome big spool of rope. We're gonna use this ribbon. I bought that one on eBay. I even have the name from the people that sent it to me. And also we're gonna use that spool of rope. This is the buffalo check I told you. Those lemons, I'm gonna show you a beautiful sign I created for this. And our beautiful lemons, they are huge. Let me show you. They are huge and they are really good quality. Also, I'm so in love with them. And now we're gonna use also this beautiful flowers I got at Walmart for 97 cents. Look at them. And this flowers, because I don't remember the name. And also this greenery from Walmart, 97 cents. And that's it. First, we're gonna take our rope, and please don't take it out of the spool as I did, because that's gonna get really messy really soon, as you will see. And we're gonna add some hot glue to the metal part that keeps our wreath together, just like that. And we're gonna add our rope and start wrapping it all around of our wreath form, like so. And now I'm gonna show you the mess that we got because I took that out of the spool. But you're gonna continue wrapping that around in your spool because that will be lots easier and you won't be detangling that rope or anything like that I just had to do like 1,000 times. And you're gonna continue until you get to the end of your wreath form. And as you can see, we have lots of that rope left over. Those were 100 feet of rope, so you will have lots of leftover that you can use for other projects. Add lots of hot glue, cut that, and let that glue set so we can start decorating it. And now we're gonna make a lemon branch by using some old leaves I had, adding that to some metal parts of a branch I had. And add or hot glue those lemons to that leaf, like so. And that's the bow I made. I never show that because I watch YouTube tutorials. And now we're gonna take all of our flowers, we're gonna cut them like so and remove all of the tags from all of them, just like that. Now we have them, and we're gonna start building our beautiful swag by adding our lemon leaves first, like so. The other greenery we have, our lemons, and our flowers. After that, we're gonna take a zip tie, like so, and we're not gonna tie it all the way to it because we want some wiggly room for our flowers, so we can add more flowers and we can arrange them like I'm doing right now, like so, because we're gonna play a lot with that arrangement. And just like that, we fluff and arrange them, and now we're starting adding. Until we have the amount desired of flowers, like so. I'm gonna add 3 more flowers. I'm taking off the leaves, like so, and I'm adding them to the bottom part. And now we're gonna fluff and arrange them. That's the trick with that swag, fluffing around and arranging them. And after that, we're gonna repeat the same step twice. And now we're gonna tie them together, the two sides, like so. And we tie them together, cut the remaining of the zip tie, and add our bow using our pipe cleaner. I never show how I do the bows because I watch YouTube tutorials for that. And now we're gonna zip tie our beautiful swag to our wreath, because we want to keep our wreath for maybe another time, so we can take that swag and change it. Now we've put lots of fluffing, lots of pulling and tugging and arranging flowers and arranging lemons and everything else. And after we finish with all of that, that will be it. You will have your wreath. And as you can see, I keep pulling and tugging and putting away and tucking back and fluffing and all of that, because that's the trick with this. And this is how it turned out. As you can see, we have our lemons over here, our buffalo check over here, our burlap, that's our farmhouse touch, and also our rope, that's also a farmhouse touch. Over here we have our swag. This is how it looks. It's so beautiful. In the description box down below, I'm going to leave you the link to the playlist and also to our challenge host. I just want to take this opportunity to thank Tracey for bringing us this awesome challenge. I love how this turned out. And remember, if you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you love it, subscribe so you can keep on watching these type of videos. Take care. Bye-bye.